Hello, I'm Frank from Fonekong team, China. Now let's talk about Fonekong solution class iPhone XS Max, case number 47. Camera overheat. Let's see. Camera overheat, that check the, NTC. This is the NTC resistor. Check NTC resistor or the capacitor C3042. Look here. This is rear camera NTC. Okay. So let's first check the NTC R3042. Okay. Let's see where is it. It's near the NAND. This is the camera NTC. This one. Okay, change this one. Or the capacitor. Oh, it's here. Capacitor C3042. Okay. That's all for case 47. Bye-bye.